Welcome to our presentation on stress relief with SOQI products. In this video, we will be discussing 3 key points. 1, why stress relief is important to our health. 2, how our products can be used to relieve stress when used independently or together. And 3, special discounts for our stress relieving products for the month of June. Toxic stress can be caused by either experiencing an extremely difficult life event or by experiencing a stressful situation over a long period of time. Stress affects our whole body and contributes to many different diseases and conditions. Modern life is filled with stressors too countless to name. In our current world, stress is unfortunately unavoidable due to our fast pace and rapidly changing environment. Because we cannot avoid stress, it's important to have a plan in place to deal with it in a healthy manner. SOQI products are an all-natural, non-invasive way to lower your stress. Over the next few slides, we will discuss how different products reduce stress individually, then describe a routine you can do with several machines to even better stress relief. In this video, we will be highlighting these 4 products: the Chi Machine, the Advanced CRE, the Good Soul Essential Oil, and the Ceramic Heater. Each one of these products provides a unique approach to combating stress. First, let's discuss our Advanced ERE, which uses electrical energy to stimulate the body. Our Advanced ERE uses the power of reflexology to relieve stress. With the Advanced ERE, you can target specific acupressure points or muscle groups to reduce stress and physical pain. The reflexology benefits that you can receive from the Advanced ERE include increased blood flow, relief for pain and soreness, and stress relief. The Advanced ERE is not just a foot massager. It comes with a soft, flexible pads that you can adhere to any part of your body that you want to target with electrical impulses. Next, we will discuss our Chi Machine. The Chi Machine uses motion energy to increase circulation. Our Chi Machine has been specifically calibrated to provide aerobic exercise to the user. This figure 8-like motion combines the best properties of swimming and running into one exercise. The aerobic exercise provided from the Chi Machine increases your circulation and works out your muscles. This, in turn, can help you relieve sore muscles and body aches. With your pain diminished or gone, your stress levels will decrease too. Now, let's focus on the ceramic heater and fur pad. Our ceramic heater and the fur pad both use thermotherapy to warm the body with gentle heat. This creates a spa-like experience that you can enjoy in the comfort of your own home. The heat produced is 8 to 10 microns, which is easily absorbed by the body. Far infrared heat can help increase circulation and immunity, reducing pain and decreasing stress. Finally, our number 6 Good Soul Essential Oil uses the power of aroma to soothe the mind, body, and spirit. You can use this refreshing and invigorating scent in tandem with our machines to lower your overall stress levels and relax. In this next section, we will discuss how to use all 4 of these products together in a stress-relieving routine. To perform this routine, you will need a ceramic heater, Chi Machine, Advanced CRE, and our number 6 Good Soul Essential Oil. For those of you who have access to a SOQI bed, you may choose to use the bed and experience the ceramic heater and Chi Machine at the same time. Here is our recommended routine for lowering stress with SOQI products. First, use 1 to 2 drops of our number 6 Good Soul Essential Oil on your pillowcase, or use 3 to 4 drops with a diffuser. Then, use your Advanced CRE for 15 to 30 minutes twice a day. After that, you can use the Chi Machine for 15 to 30 minutes twice a day, the ceramic heater for 30 to 60 minutes twice a day, and if you'd like, the fur pad for 30 to 60 minutes twice a day. The last 3 machines can be used at the same time for the sake of efficiency. By following this routine, you may improve sleep, relieve stress, reduce fatigue, promote circulation, improve immunity, and help detoxify the body.